Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can upload a cover photo to the Pinterest app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of this video. So, let us get started with you. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Then, at the bottom, click on your profile picture. And now, in order for you to upload your cover photo, you'll first need to move your account to your business account. To do this, click on the gear in the top right corner. Next, manage your account. Next, convert business account. And now you'll just need to follow the simple steps that you'll be asked to do. So, you will need to write your profile name. Next, if you have some website, then you will need to put a link to it. If not, you just click No Website. Next, you choose what you're creating a business account for. You're a blogger, you're a photographer, for example, a public personality, something else. I'm going to choose something else. Next. And that's how simple it is, literally in a few steps, in half a minute. We created a business account with you. And now, in order to upload your cover photos, in the top right corner, click on the three dots. Next is Add Cover Image. Now you can choose any image that you like. After that, click Ready. And in just a few seconds, the image will already be uploaded as a cover photo to you on Pinterest. This is the very simple way, friends. You will be able to upload cover photo to your Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you all again.